Sporty Bots. This is a rivalry. We're talking about rivalries. Hay Street. Tonto Drive. Hay Street. Copper. Mountain View. 406 is Wyoming, right? Oh, Montana. Okay, it's Montana. Start Uptown Butte. Butte, Montana, of course, right there. Hay Street, of course. Butte, Montana, 406, right there. Ooh, beautiful location here. Beautiful location. I hope we find it. Spain, okay. Spain. I'm quite conflicted. Should I go? Is this an island? It may be an island instead of maybe an island instead of like, okay, La Gomera, Cabildo, La Gomera. Okay. I don't know, dude. Is it maybe an island? We might be doomed. Las Rosas. This is to the going east. Las Rosas. La Gomera. Las Rosas. Oops. GM. It's GM. Okay, GM1 Gomera. So we think Gomera. GM1 resources, maybe somewhere to the right. Maybe there. See, GM1. We got it. See? Nice! 5K! Woohoo! La Gomera. That's a nice 5K in La Gomera. Nice find, GM1. Let's go! Nice. Okay. Just gonna start. 706 is Georgia, right? Nice. It's not game. Oh, it's not game. It was game. It wasn't. Somewhere in Bangkok. It's further up north. Fix on damage to our opponent. We guess it's basically the same location. Gomera. 1.5 XD. 0 somewhere. actually Belgium. Nice. See, sablong pa yung bonnet there. Okay. Right in between us, mata-mata. Take 26 damage, okay. Then we get Russia. Oh, it is Romania here. Come on, let it begin. Yes, finally it's game. Okay. Whew. Man, that was so scary. We could have choked quite easily, but we had a 5k in La Gomera Island, so that is nice. That is a nice find. Probably took a couple of minutes or so, but we found we were within 20 meters from the correct location in La Gomera. Let's go La Gomera. GM1. Las Rosas, okay. Bend the road. Nice find in the bend of the road. So actually, yeah, it was actually on the bend in the road. Okay, so alright. Bend in the road. Nice. You can also see that the bend kinda. Oh, there's another road number there we didn't quite see. But first, beautiful location in Canary Islands, GM1 in Canary. Sharp bend in the road really help a lot for us to select this location. It's nice. This angle. Cool. That's so cool. See now how we 5k that location, and just quick plonk in Georgia was not enough, so we survived for 4 more rounds, which is mind-boggling. Really, it was Belgium. Oh, it's right between us. It was Romania. It's nice. See now, round numero 2, 2 and 3. Let's watch 2 and 3, and finally, yeah, just 2 and 3. Watch around number 2, how it came to be. It took a long time, like a minute and 55 to get there, because we kind of scanned for a couple of signs along the way. Thankfully, a 5k in Canary Islands. I think it's my first 5k in Canary Islands. It's parts of Spain though, so it's Canaries. I wonder what region would it be. Canary Islands, would that be a separate region? Let's search about that. So we were what's the road? What was the code for the road? What's it? GM? I forgot really. Okay, look at Cabildo Insular de La Gomera. Trying to look for north of. I was looking at Asturias, Cantabria, Gijon, even look up north in Galicia and find anything that road. Okay, so see Las Rosas, okay, Las Rosas and La Gomera, okay. I was trying to find the region name. Little did I know La Gomera was an island in the Canaries. How did you get in Canary Islands though? Okay, got bumps. Road numbers at around the 1 minute and 20 second mark. You get I think we went back to spawn. Going back to spawn, we got the bend in the road and the sharp bend down south leads east. That would be a good candidate right there. That would be a candidate. Nice. Just plonk. Take a little more to the north, and we were just 19 meters away. That's nice. That's nice. So let's have a replay from the time when we saw GM. Okay, kind of pulled from mainland Spain to GC and look into Tenerife, Frontera, and then there you go. There you go. GM1. That's nice. Going back to spawn, here's Las Rosas. It's a quick find in Las Rosas. So this was a little bit outside of Las Rosas, but okay. The sharp bend, that's nice. That sharp bend really helped a lot. And we were within 19 meters of the correct location. That's beautiful, and it's breathtaking. Look at that mountains. It's new coverage as well, May of 2025. That's beautiful. These bumps maybe are indicative of the Canaries. That's so cool. Nice 5K. Nice 5K. Beautiful, beautiful location. And let's check out our round number 3 where you just quickly blow within 40 seconds. Okay. Okay. I believe we did find there we go. There we go. Georgia, nice. So you start to knock Georgia in 40 seconds. It's nice. Let's watch it again. What do you make of that? Okay. No restaurant. Okay, there was a sign where you had the outline of outline of Georgia, and area code 706 is Northern Georgia. Alright, that's cool. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Alright. 5K in the Canaries. That's nice to see. 5K in the Canaries. Let's go.